Hi students, today I am going to taking a class on integers exercise 1.1. So open your textbook page number 4 exercise 1.1. In the last class I given some introduction on integers. So let's start exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in a degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. They given one number line and some places are given and temperature also given. Okay, so the places are Lahore Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Ooty and Bengaluru. Temperature are minus 10 degree, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, so the first question is A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. Okay. Answer A. Lahore Spiti minus 8 degree Celsius, Srinagar minus 2 degree Celsius, Simla 5 degree Celsius, Ooty 14 degree Celsius and Bengaluru 22 degree Celsius. Okay. Next, question number B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? This is given question. Answer B. Hottest place Bengaluru 22 degree Celsius. Coldest place Lahore Spiti minus 8 degree Celsius. Difference equal to 22 degree Celsius minus into bracket minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay, 22 degree Celsius minus into minus plus 8 degree Celsius. 22 plus 8 30 degree Celsius. Next, question number C. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Okay, this is given question. Answer C. Difference here. Okay, difference minus 2 degree Celsius minus into bracket minus 8 degree Celsius. Minus 2 degree Celsius minus into minus plus 8 degree Celsius. Next 8 minus 2 6 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. Next, question number D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? Next, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? This is given question. Answer D is Srinagar and Simla together temperature minus 2 and 5 degree. Okay, 5 minus 2 is 3 degree Celsius. Okay, so this 3 degree Celsius is less than temperature of Simla 5 degree Celsius. Therefore the answer is yes. Okay. Question number D, they are given again one question here. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So here Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degree Celsius and the total temperature is 3 degree Celsius. Okay, so this 3 is greater than minus 2 here. Okay, Therefore, the temperature is not less. That means answer is no.